Most babies are ready to start eating solid foods by around 6 months of age. Baby will give you clues that he is ready for solid foods when he holds up his head, sits with a little help, and leans forward. He'll show interest by reaching out for food and opening his mouth when food is offered on a spoon. Breast milk remains the most important source of a baby's nutrition at 6 months. It doesn't matter whether breast milk or solids are provided first at any meal. Keep breastfeeding for 2 years or longer. From 6 months to 1 year, baby will gradually decrease the amount of breast milk he drinks while increasing the amount of solids in his diet. Baby's appetite can vary widely from day to day. Gradually, he'll want more solid foods as he gets older.